Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do I'm in my studio. I'm going to do some resin work. I have 3 square wood pieces I want to do some resin on, and that's going to be the big project today. I'm just going to put some acrylic paint on it to put a base down, to prime it, and yeah, we'll see what happens. See you in a second. Today I'm going to do some resin. I got a board here. I'm not sure how wide it is, but it's just about fits the camera angle here. So I taped it up on the sides, and I just lightly colored it white. Doesn't really matter. Just wanted to get rid of some of the brown that's underneath. It's a wood panel. I have some white, some gold, some kind of a bronzy or rose gold color, blue and red, which you're going to see when I put them on here. There's some mica powders, 3 mica powders, 1 ink, and 1 just acrylic paint, the white. You gotta go fast here because you got lots of resin here that I need to use for something else. So let's go. So I don't know, I'm just going to start with some white. I don't have a real plan. Maybe something like square, because this is a square. Oh, oops, the light is gone. It's okay. And some blue. This is a really nice blue. I can't remember what it's called, but it's really cute. Probably have to make some more, I'm not sure. This really rich, beautiful color. It's hard to see it on the camera angle, but it's really beautiful. I'm not sure about this, but it's really chilly looking. I don't know if I like it or not. Just gonna go for it anyways. I'm just gonna use it all up, might as well. Okay, looks interesting, doesn't it? I like it's gonna it starts moving. Okay, I was gonna get the blowtorch and see if I can move something around here. Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning in your flood. It's overwhelming me, but I guess it's clear to me now. Just try to move it around a little bit. I'll lose a lot of resin because I don't have this much. Rainbow colors, wow. Shouldn't have known if I was the one who's drowning
you're gonna get burned, you're gonna get burned. You're walking into quicksand, not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned. There you go, without thinking about tomorrow. Gonna let you know you're spending all the time you borrowed to get through this. Not giving you a second chance. So turn around and fill in the blanks. You're a star, but you've forgotten how to follow. Gonna leave a scar if you don't take the time to heal everything underneath this. You're watching the hours are ticking away. So turn around and fill in the blanks. I gotta say that you could do so much better. Like a vagabond, you're lost in your own ways, stranded in your desert. I hit you up, but there's no one there. If I wanted something distant, I would've found just what I want in you. But I'm not really like that. Don't you know that? Said, don't you know? Touch the fire with your hands, 'cause you're gonna get burned, you're gonna get burned. You're walking into quicksand, not a lesson learned, 'cause you're gonna get burned. There you go, without thinking about tomorrow. Gonna let you know you're spending all the time you borrowed to get through this. Not giving you a second chance. So turn around and fill in the blanks. You're a star, but you've forgotten how to follow. Gonna leave a scar if you don't take the time to heal everything underneath this. You're watching the hours are ticking away. So turn around and fill in the blanks. You're gonna get burned, you're gonna get burned. Fill in the blanks.
Sorry, it's just way better than a hairdryer. I need a better torch. That one doesn't, it just doesn't blow very much. Done with a nozzle. And some bald spots there. middle needs something. It's a little boring there. Oh, it's kind of interesting. Looks like a tie-dye.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay?
I know why it doesn't. Oh, there's this light. Turn a light up there. Yeah, but now it looks better. You just have to play with it, I guess. Let's see if I got some, what's this, white pearl. See how that one's gonna look on here. Oops. What happened to the thing? I don't have a thing on it anymore. Come it out.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now.
Got some flakes in it. More sparkling. It's growing on me now. Even though it looks very strange from up there. It looks way better from down here. Camera has a hard time. I think this is focused. It's got some really neat little things. I'm going to take the camera down in a minute, but I think I should make up some blue. Or just some real, I would like to have some white. It's this white. Let's put some resin in the white. Even though it doesn't look cool from where you looking, I think anyway.
Summer is ended, the leaves are turning brown. Red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet. I'm not ready for autumn. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon.
It just looks way brighter on the camera than
The
that.
line.
Darker. It's hard to see. Like I kind of really starting to like it now. So we'll see how it happens when I come back to it. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, here she is. All dry. It's hard to focus because it's got this wispy look to it. But anyway, glossy, you can see. Came out pretty good, I think. Let me know what you think. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And hit that bell to get notified when there's new videos up. And make sure you watch that playlist so you can see other awesome videos. Stay safe and healthy.